Number 18, we want to expand this binomial expression, and so we're going to use Pascal's triangle to do this. So we're going to first focus that we see a 5 here. So this is row 0. We always start with a 1, and then we start and end with a 1. This is row 1. We're going to add them together. This is row 2. Add them together, add them together. This is going to be row 3. Add them together, add them together. Start and end always with 1s. We need to go to the 5th row. So I have 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. Now when we saw a previous question, I don't remember the exact number, maybe it was 10, 11, 12, something like that. Maybe even number 9 it was. We're asked to do something similar, but we only had to come up with one term. Okay, so here we have, I'm going to spread these out. So we have 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. In this situation, we have A is 3x and B is negative 1y. And so this is going to be A to the 5, A to the 4, A to the 3, 2, 1, and down to 0. And then I'm going to go backwards. And this is going to be B to the 5th, B to the 4th, B to the 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and 0. Now I'm going to replace each one with the given information. Okay, we're running out of space here, so I'm going to come down here. Oh, didn't mean to put a B there. And there we go. Okay, so I'm going to drop in a 3x, 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 and 3x, and then go back with a negative 1y, Okay, so I know anything to the 0 power is 1, so I know that equals 1. So on my calculator here, I'm going to figure out what is 3 to the 5th power. And I believe it's 81, but let's make sure that I am correct. So, oops, sorry, 243. It's 81 times an additional 3, so 243. So 3 to the 5th is 343 times 1 is still 343x to the 5th. Let's go on to the second term. So the second term, I need to take 5 times 3 to the 4th times negative 1. So I'm working on just the coefficients here raised to the 1st. So 5 times 3 to the 4th times negative 1 to the 1st. Make sure I'm using parentheses. So right now I have, I should have given myself a little more room here. Minus 405, and I have x to the 4th and y to the 1st. X to the 4th, y to the 1st. Let's go on to the next term. Okay, in the next term, I'm going to have a 10, and then 3 to the 3rd, so 3 raised to the 3rd, and negative 1 to the 2nd. Negative 1 squared. And we end up with a positive 270 plus 270, and we have x to the 3rd, y to the 2nd. Let's move it on to the next part. We have 10 times 3 raised to the 2nd power, and we have negative 1 to the 3rd power, and we end up with a negative 90, x squared, and y to the 3rd. Okay, coming over here. So we have, again, we've done term 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're on to term number 5. Term 5, I have 5 times 3 to the 1st power, and then I have negative 1 in parentheses raised to the 6th power, and I have a positive 15. Positive 15, x to the 1st, y to the 6th. And then lastly, by the way, anything to the 0 power is going to be 1. 1 times 1 is 1, so I have negative 1 to the 5th power, which is negative 1 y to the 5th. So this is a long expansion of that binomial expression.